Okie dokie, let's dive on in. So, as soon as you walk into my room, obviously there's a door. Right away we have the laundry basket, a rug, there's summer clothes underneath the bed. Behind my door I have these two little Paris signs. I have almost like a traveling theme in my room. My grandparents got these for me when they were in Florida. They brought them back. Every single time I take them down, I get yelled at to put them back up. There also is normally a Binks checking things out and playing with the telephone wire. And then as we go to the left, we have this lovely world map, which is barely at all checked off. Honestly, I was going to be going back to Europe this summer and hopefully would be able to check off a bunch more over here, but COVID happened, so that hasn't happened. We have a little bit of Cuba. Yeah, we don't have to get into the fact that I've barely been anywhere. It is going to someday be all crossed off. Again, continuing to the left, I guess down, I have a calendar, which basically just has every single day I work, school stuff, appointments, just for something that my Nana is able to look at, so that she kind of knows what I'm doing and where I'm at when I am. Yes, I'm 21 years old and my Nana still knows where I am. Then I have my purse, which is, this is typically my everyday purse. I just like the color, it goes with everything. A laundry basket. Continuing to the left, I have a nightside table, which just has a little toy box. A drawer just full of like, honestly, it's just like pills for when I have headaches and stuff. A tissue box, some notebooks, tape. Then we have my glasses case, which does not have my glasses in it. I will tell you that right now. Then we have a picture of my sister who passed away and a little charm that a teacher at my high school had gotten to me when it was her 1-year anniversary. And then I have the case, the camera obviously, some hand lotion, a diffuser scenty, yeah, a Charmed Aroma Harry Potter candle, which I already have the candle out, or the ring out. I'm already wearing it, but I haven't finished the candle, so it's sitting there. The clip that I always use, honestly my favorite clip, camera charger, a little speaker, this picture which was in my, I think it's been in the last 2 vlogs, honestly, a Paris lamp, which obviously you can tell I want to go to Paris. Moving up, we have an adventure picture. It's almost like a collage of pictures here. I'll give you kind of like a broader view. Yeah. So then we have I Need Coffee. These are from HomeSense, Indigo. No idea where the Paris thingies are from. No idea where that's from. That, I have no idea where that's from either, actually. I think it's from Costco. My grandparents got me that. The letterboard is from HomeSense, and I just have a It's the Most Wonderful Time of the Year sign because it is the holidays. Moving up, we have It Was All a Dream. That's also from HomeSense. The string lights are from Amazon. The sign, I Need Coffee, is honestly, I don't remember. Somewhere. Continuing to the left, we obviously have the string lights, and we have another New York picture, which before I think was on my shorter wall, but now it's above my bed. Obviously the string light's above it. Then I also have a New York picture, which I think was in the last vlog too, or the last video too. It does light up, which I figured out after I filmed that video. Like literally, I figured that out like a couple months ago, I'm not even gonna lie. Tutu that was supposed to be for my sister, but obviously she passed away, she never got to wear it. Black curtains. That picture's from Walmart, that's from HomeSense. Then we have my bedspread, which obviously is different from the last video. This is, I think, I have repurchased the same bedspread, but I believe I had one almost identical or had the same as this in my very first room tour. Because it is Christmas, I obviously have some penguins out because everyone says I'm like a penguin because my feet turn out from dance. I have my big pillows from HomeSense. The bedspread is from Jisk or JYSK. Pillows are HomeSense. The set underneath I think is also from JSKY. Then the penguins are probably from Indigo. The blanket at the end of my bed is from Indigo. Obviously my phone is charging. I do have an extension cord that I just have that goes across, so it's easier to be, if I'm at my desk I can reach it. Then moving along to the left, continuing, I have my lovely Slytherin scarf. which I have not been to England, but I want to. But this is actually from the original store. It is from the 9 3/4 store, although I have never been. I do have one scarf from there. Then we have a hat up here. Yeah, my lovely scarf. I'm actually wearing a Harry Potter sweater right now too, which you'll probably see in the opening. To the left we have, this is when I went to my high school. I had gotten a outstanding award for a contemporary freestyle. Then we have, I choreographed that dance, got second place, and then, or no, sorry, my solo got second place, a dance I choreographed got third place. I have other ones, but they're under my bed. I only framed that one because outstanding, and then the other ones didn't have ribbons, which is kind of sad, but one of them did get first place, another one got second. Yeah, it's not important. Moving along, I have 2 little purses because I love that trend. We have my Harry Potter book collection, a Poppy, those 2. I have a picture with that one. I don't think I ever took a picture with that one. They're both from Guess. Then moving along, we have the Stitch from the Stitch candle, Snitch from the Snitch candle for Harry Potter. I think it came with a necklace or a ring. Behind that we have a teddy bear I had got my sister, a very disgusting Pandora box, which literally just has my sister's necklace in it with pieces of her hair, a jewelry box stuffed to the brim of jewelry, which I'd never wear, so that's fun. But this is from HomeSense, I believe. Down below, also all the furniture that I have is from JSKY. The bed set, they all kind of came together. It did come with a vanity and a dresser, but I left those at my mom's house and she uses them. Honestly, because I just don't use them. I have a closet. So underneath we have all of my textbooks for the year. I am currently in pre-health. I did just finish a degree in psychology. So we have all of my textbooks. I am still taking one class at the university just to up my overall average. So we have chemistry, sensation and perception. We have biology, anatomy book, mathematics. There's a soft skills for my health skills class. And then obviously a bunch of notebooks, my exam book. Then we have my yoga mat, which is marble. If you don't already see a theme, I like white and black. I like very neutral with like pops of accentual colors. This is also from Jisk. It's just feminine products, a bunch of cords, random assortment of stuff. Moving along, we have my closet, which honestly isn't that interesting. It's probably gross right now. My lovely closet's kind of boring. I just have a bunch of purses up there and like my Halloween stuff is around the corner. Hats, yeah. And then my suitcases are at the bottom. Moving along, we have this lovely thing here, which just holds, sorry, I'm laying down so I can show you this, which just holds pretty much all of my Lululemon jackets. My other Lululemon stuff is in the closet. And then one robe. I have multiple though. A Guess purse, which is typically my current go-to purse whenever I'm going out and about. And then up above we have a sign that I'm still yet to take down, but I need to take down from Thanksgiving or like around Christmas time, which says eat pie, drink wine, and be thankful, but I need to take that down obviously because holidays have changed. Continuing to the left, because that is my trend, we have another thing from JSKY, which typically I think is over there. Oh, also that's from HomeSense. Typically it is over there, but obviously my Christmas tree takes up the room, so it is currently right here. It is from Jisk as well. It is just like a little side aisle. It partially blocks that door, but I don't really use that door. It just goes to the utility room and my bathroom. And then we have this. This is from, I think these are from Walmart, to be honest. I tried to take them off the wall to do something else on the wall, and they took off the paint. So I just stuck them back on so Papa wouldn't see. But, so those are there. And then inside the drawers, honestly, it's just random stuff. Like, it's just extra beauty products. Extra like foundations, razors, stuff like that. Then we have my ink pen because I'd like to be Harry Potter, but I'm not. Oh, also these rugs are from HomeSense. A bunch of charmed aroma candles. I think one of those drawers actually has charmed aroma candles. A thing that holds cue cards. A bunch of like notepads because that's what I like to write on when I do my notes. That's pretty much that. Super exciting. Moving along, we have this giant picture from HomeSense of New York because that is my favorite place to travel to. I have been 2 times. I think. Yeah, 2 times. Would love to go back. Wanted to go back this year for Christmas, but obviously that doesn't seem to be happening because of what's going on in the world. Then we have my lovely giant Christmas tree, which is 7 foot tall. It is from Amazon. I will link it in the description box below if you want to check it out. I cannot find the star that goes on top of my Christmas tree. My grandparents will not pull out the rest of the decorations. I'm assuming it's in one of their boxes. So for now, there's no star on the top, but it's fine. I already have gifts that I have wrapped. So in the baggies are my gifts from my friends. And then there's some boxes underneath that are wrapped. A little rug, which I believe I ordered off of Amazon as well. To the side, we have my projector, which normally I would project movies on that wall. And my hair straightener. And Binks is sitting on my chair, which we will get to in a moment. So the ornaments on this, any of the like tealy ones are from, they're from HomeSense or Marshalls. Any of the plasticky looking ones were just from Amazon. They used to be on my 4-foot tree, but I obviously upgraded. The clear ones are also from HomeSense. The gift bags from Amazon, and the wrapping paper is from Indigo. Continuing along, we have my wonderful Binks. Hi, Binks. Hi, Mama. He got a bath today, so he's not the happiest. The chair is from Amazon. It's just a black desk chair, which honestly is so uncomfortable. Underneath the desk is a bunch of cords, my fan, and a little box for my garbage, little garbage bin. Then moving along, I have no idea where this is from. I forget the store. I don't even think it's open anymore. It was like a boutique, but it just fit perfectly underneath my desk. Underneath it, we just have, this one is just all school stuff. Then we have hair stuff with more school stuff that didn't fit. And then at the very bottom drawer, there's also hair stuff. And then a bunch of like bottles of perfume and stuff. The desk is from IKEA. I did get the marble paper from Amazon. Honestly, I only bought the marble paper because I accidentally, I think I spilled something or scratched something over there and it was bugging me, so I covered it. And I did the drawers myself. Inside the drawers, in this drawer is just a bunch of extra makeup. This is my everyday makeup drawer, which is honestly just a mess. But yeah. Then on my desk, I have my Apple Watch, an extra ring, glasses, AirPod, my mirror, which is from Costco. Above it, I have just all of my classes and when assignments are due, whether it's labs, tests, and then I have the averages that I got on the side to keep it easier. Underneath that, I have a candle. This is from Bath & Body Works. It is a Halloween candle because I love the Halloween candles and I don't like peppermint stuff. So I overbuy so that I can make it through Christmas season with peppermint candles. Then we have this picture is from Cuba. I believe it was in my original as well. And then behind it we have apple cider vinegar toner, Binksy's treats, and then some perfume and lotion that are like my everyday stuff. Then moving along, we have my lap book. Also, this is, honestly, I can't get it off. So if anyone knows a suggestion, it's from a candle. I didn't burn the wall. It's from the smoke. But yeah. Then we have my laptop, which is a MacBook Air, and 1,000,001 stickers. These are from Redbubble. Moving along, we have this lovely little assortment of makeup brushes and lipsticks and just other stuff that I use every day. Then we have my MacBook charger. This was a Harry Potter cauldron candle filled with pens and scissors so they're easy to reach. My agenda, which is from Jack Edwards, ink outside the box. Love it to death. Behind that I have Q-tips and cotton pads and Kind bars so that when I get back from the gym I can quickly eat a Kind bar if I just need to re-energize. Above all of that we have a mirror. Oh, also there's a wall of mirrors which was in this video before. Above that we have the basic KB letters. There's nothing really interesting about that. I don't even think they light up anymore. I've never changed the batteries. I just have not taken them off the wall to change them. And then we have when I was, well, I still am, but when I did a speaking for Trillium Gift of Life, it's just my name tag. Hey guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed my little room tour. If you guys want to see anything else, leave it in the comment box below. And yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye!